Hello, here is a quick teardown of the mini arcade cabinet that I've recently made. It started life as, believe it or not, an IKEA CD drawer. We were going to throw it out, and I looked at it from a particular angle and could see the potential of it forming a very small arcade cabinet. And so I'm not one for measuring, I just took to it with a saw, cut out the basic shape, including a frame that will hold the screen, and just started building it up as I went along, really. As luck would have it, I have a USB NES retro styled controller, and it is the exact width of a CD, and it fitted perfectly. I couldn't have asked for better luck, actually. The screen I'm using is an old car reversing screen that I bought off Amazon for about £12, and that all fits in beautifully. There's a mountain of hot glue holding everything together. But yeah, it's started to take shape. It's running Retropie on a Raspberry Pi Zero as well, and here it is running Galaxian. It's actually pretty good. I've included some 3D printed coverings for it, which hides a lot of the mistakes made earlier on when I was cutting it out. But it's actually pretty good, and I found some old Christmas lights as well, and drilled a few holes through the wooden CD drawer to poke them through, and the whole cabinet gets illuminated.